What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to walk you through on how to solve the Bluetooth issue for your M1 MacBook Pro. Bluetooth is really an essential thing that you really want to use it daily to connect your wireless headphones, AirPod and gaming console. Now many people are complaining that their Bluetooth is not available, Bluetooth is not connecting to their wireless devices or even with their console, and their Bluetooth is keep disconnecting. Now, to overcome these issues, you need to just go through some process to solve this problem. Now, the very first things we're gonna just go ahead and recommend you to do, simply turn off and on your Bluetooth from your MacBook Pro, and at the same time, if possible, just try to turn off and on from your device as well. Now, if you found your Bluetooth from here, that's alright, or if you don't see it over here, then click on your Apple logo, click your system preference, and then click your Bluetooth. Well, you can show it on the Bluetooth bar if you want, especially if you want to show it right here. Well, you can click show Bluetooth in the menu bar if you want to see it over here, and then make sure just click here to turn this off, and afterward just go ahead and just turn it back on. At the same time, just try to grab your wireless device, turn the Bluetooth off and turn it back on. Well, if the first process didn't work out, take out the next one. In the next process, all you have to do is just click on your Apple logo, come down your system preference, and then click your network. And right here, choose your Bluetooth and simply click on minus. And click yes. Wait a bit, and afterward, just click on the plus icon once again. Now choose your device name from the drop down, click on here, and choose your Bluetooth PAN, and then click create, and then you're going to see your Bluetooth is going to appear right here now. Okay, now click apply. Now simply go ahead and close your network option, click on your Apple logo again, click on system preference, and here you're going to get back your Bluetooth one more time. Just click on there and just now try to connect your wireless device to your MacBook Pro to see if that works or not. Well, after that, if you're still having the same problem, the next things you need to do, just click on your Apple logo, come to your system preference, and then just go ahead and click on your Bluetooth and simply check out the device that you are already connected with, or maybe it says not connected. Okay, whatever the device you might getting right here, simply go ahead and click cross, or just use your two finger, press on your trackpad and click on remove. Okay, now after removing it on your MacBook Pro, just try to reconnect it again to check whether it is working or not. Now let's say you have done this process as well, but still you're getting no solution whatsoever. Now quickly doing this process, we'll highly recommend you to do just go ahead and just give it a restart on your MacBook Pro. While restarting your MacBook, the next things you have to do, just go ahead and grab your wireless device. It can be your console, your headphones, or any other device that you might be trying to connect with your M1 MacBook Pro. Okay, now just try to reset that device to solve your problem as well. Sometimes some minor bugs and glitches can cause your device from being able to pair it with your MacBook Pro. Now resetting it will help you to solve your problem. Now even afterward, the last things we're gonna just go ahead and do, simply go ahead and check for update if it is available for your MacBook Pro. If you want to check the update for your MacBook Pro, you have to click on your Apple logo and click on your system preference, and then you're going to see your software update right here. Click on there, and then it's going to check for the update. And if you found any software available for your MacBook Pro, then feel free to update it to solve your problem. Okay, so these are the things you guys can do, and also the last thing to just want to go ahead and tell you to make sure is the charge for your wireless device. Now if you're using a headphone or let's say AirPod or even a gaming console, that thing actually needs to have a charge. So if your device are actually having no charge, then this issue can happen. And at the same time, make sure that your other device that you're trying to connect to with your MacBook Pro, they should not be connected with any other devices. At the same time, make sure they have a proper charge and they're in the range. After making all of the process at once, we can tell you'll be able to successfully pair your device with your MacBook Pro, and these are the things you guys can do to solve your problem. Hope you find this video useful. If so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you all later.